Yes. So now this is the first question. So this is the topic. Sleep deprivation. Sleep deprivation. This is the topic. Right. This is the title. Sleep deprivation. Right. This is the title. Yes, we can go for this question. Yes, study this question carefully. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yes. Now this is question number 1. Question 001. Okay. You can submit the answer in the chat box now. You can submit the answer in the chat box now. Yes. So now what you have to do is, okay, what about the others, Punita and Lithol Ranyali? Okay, you can take 30 seconds more. So now what you can do is, okay, now this is the copy poster link. So here this is the answer below this. You can go and tick on that one, you will get the answer. A, B, C, whatever you want to write, you can click on that answer and you'll get the answer there. Copy message link. 2 links I'm giving you. So you can write either in the first link or in the second link. You'll get the answer. Then you will have ABC. Okay. So you can get the right answer. Yes. So that is how you'll answer the questions. So you'll get the answer there. Now I will give you the explanation for this answer. When you are taking the name of a person, you are taking the name of a famous person here. You are taking the name of a very famous person here. Okay. So what you have to do is, sorry. So you are taking the name of a very famous person here. Okay. Right. So where is this? Yeah. Yes, sleep deprivation. Reading, but sleep deprivation. Yeah. Yes, here it is. So this is the point you have to notice. Copy image. You can see the point there. So when you are taking the name of a person, that means you are using his name to support your opinion. You're taking his name to support your opinion. Evan Carter is here. Evan Carter is here. So you can see. So when you're taking the name, you have to support. Okay. So you're reinforcing a view. You have an opinion. People may not believe your opinion. So you are taking the name of a very special person. Okay. So that yes. So you can see the points there very clearly. So you are reinforcing. The meaning of the word reinforcing means support. Write down. Reinforce means support. Reinforce means support. So you are taking the support of, yeah. To prove that you are right, you are taking the person's name, support of a famous person. That is the point here. So this is a pure logic. See, even a small child, So for example, an elder brother is fighting with a younger brother. Then the younger brother will tell, I will tell Papa, I will tell Mama. That means then, no, 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 please don't tell, don't tell. They'll get scared like that. You're taking the name of a stronger person to show that you are strong. Okay, when you cannot handle things on your own, you'll take the name of a strong person. That is the logic behind this. That is the logic behind this. So I hope you understand this one very clearly. So there is nothing in this question actually. This is purely common sense. Okay. Right, to support a view about the impact of sleep deprivation. Next. Next point. So here it is. Yes, this is the second point. Yes, there you are. So you have 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes to think about this. So you can think about this answer and you can submit there. Don't write your answer anywhere. Think about it very carefully. So now this is the second question. Right here, yes. Now you have, yes, submit your answer now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, submit. Submit your answer, please. Question number 2. Question 2. Question 2. Submit your answer, all of you. Right. So this is the point. Okay. Now you have the answer here. A, B, C, D. Copy, post link. You can go there and you can check your answer. You can go there and check your answer. Question number 2. Copy message link. Yeah, these are the two things. You can find out anywhere, either there or here. So once you check it out there, you'll get the answer. Yes, you can check your answer there. So now here, there's a difference between past and present, 2 decades ago and presently. Okay, recent studies means present, 2 decades ago means past. You can see that. Okay, that's the point. Okay, now see here, earlier ideas, researchers have tended to confirm means present. Earlier ideas means past. You can see C is talking about past and present. So first one is talking about scientific opinion about its function. It is talking about function. Second one, it is talking about controversy. Third one is talking about a purpose. Fourth one is talking about the basis. So that is the key point there. Yes. There's the point we are going to discuss here. So this is the question. Yeah, you can see this. That's the point. Researchers means scientists have tended to confirm, you can see the word confirm, earlier ideas past 2 decades ago about its purpose. You can see purpose in the middle. So this is how you have to analyze very clearly. So purpose, there are 4 different things here. What are those 4 different things you have to notice here? So here it is talking about the function. Here it is talking about the controversy. Here it is talking about the purpose. Here you are talking about the basis, means foundation. So that's it. These are the 4 different things. So purpose is there in the middle. So that is the right answer. Very fast we are going with these things. Right. So this is how you can rule out the answers. Tended to be means maybe. Appears to be. Okay, hinted, tended, past tense. Okay. Tended means tried to. Tried to. Tend means look after. Tend the plants means look after the plants. Okay. Yes. Tend means look after. Okay. Now let us see third question. Yes, here is the question. Copy. Yes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Silently study the question. 3 minutes. Try to find out the important words. Then you will know the answer very easily. Reading part C questions. Fine. On the top there is B, forget that B. Okay, this is part C, remember that. Okay, now we have seen. So question number 3. Question 3. Question 3. Okay. So question number 3. Fine. So once you are ready with the answer, you can submit the answer here in the chat box. You can submit the answer in the chat box. You can submit the answer in the chat box. Okay. Majority of you have written C. Okay. Fine, that's okay. So now you can check the answer there. Okay. You can check the answer here. Okay. I'll show you the link. Here is the link. Copy, post link. You can go and check there. And then this is the message link. Post link and message link. Okay, here ABCD. You can get the choice there. Okay. You can get the choice there. So once you have got the choice, then we are going to find the answer. How we are going to find the answer here? The word in the question is impressed. Impressed. Something never in your life, if you see something new, then only you will impress. Surprising. Okay, impressed means surprising, shocking. Okay, surprising. So you have to see there. No, the word is surprise. No surprise. That means still here no surprise. Then next one will be surprise. Okay, fine. Okay, here it is. So that is the question. Copy. Yes, there you are. So you can check it out. Impressed. No surprise. So later it is discovered, so he was surprised. First one, no surprise, because that's simple thing. So something extraordinary, something surprising, something which they never saw in their lifetime, that only will impress. So you should know that. So rise means increase. Rise means production. The more, then the rise. Production is more. Okay. Right. That's very clear there. You can see here adenosine receptors and concentration of adenosine and adenose. As adenosine levels rise, so do concentrations of adenosine receptors. That means both. If this rises, that also rises. If adenosine rises, adenosine receptors also rise. That is the point there. That's very clearly mentioned here. Okay, the simultaneous means at the same time. As this goes up, so this goes up. So as so means simultaneous, means at the same time. As you sow, so you reap. So that is the relation. Okay, this is called directly proportional. Directly proportional. If this goes up, this also goes up. Proportion is directly. 2 is equal to 2, 4 is equal to 4, 6 is equal to 6, like that. Inversely proportional means reverse. If this increases, that decreases. That is inversely proportional. This is called the ratio. Proportionality ratio. Proportionality ratio. Next. Next one, fourth one. So this is the fourth one. Yes, here it is. Right. So 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes. So in the third paragraph, what idea is emphasized by the phrase by no means the be all and end all? What do you mean by that? So at the end of the paragraph, he has given. So you have 2 minutes for this question. I'll give you 2 minutes. But if you see 50 minutes also, 1 hour also, you will not get the answer, anything there. The answer is in the words itself. If you understand the words, it will be easy for you. Yes. Question number 4. These are two idioms. These are two idioms. Okay, they have a different meaning actually. They are something, but the meaning is different. By no means. Okay, now you can submit the answer there. Submit your answer now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Submit. One minute. So, 1 minute. Yes. You should know what is the meaning here. Yes. So, yeah, the point here is very simple, actually. Okay, now go and check your answers. So this is the point. Copy, post link. Check it out. Question number 4. Then copy message link. There. Check out your answer. Check your answer there. Check your answer there. Yes. Now, let us analyze this question. So simple as that. So you can see the relationship there. You can see the relationship there. Impact means effects. Beyond means not within. So try to understand. Yeah. By no means means not at all. By no means means not at all. Okay. By no means means no way. Not at all. Impossible. The be all and end all means everything included. This is everything. That is the meaning. This is everything means all inclusive. So no way. All inclusive means there is something exclusive also. That means outside this. So outside means beyond. The impact is not just within, but it is outside also. Okay, it is more than that. This is not everything. This is more than that. Try to understand. Okay. It is not everything. It's more than that. So everything included. No, not everything is included. There are many other things you have to think about. That is the point. By no means the be all means, for example, what is the problem? No. This is not the be all and end all. By no means this is the be all and end. That means this is not everything. That means there is something beyond. There is something in addition to these things. That is beyond. Not within. Not within. So be all and end all means within. By no means means not. So not within. The first one by no means means not. The be all and end all means within. Inside, everything inside means within. So not within. But here he says not within means beyond. It is outside. Outside means beyond. So the impact means effects. So that is how you have to identify the words. So simple. Where the words are there, there only you will find the answer. Okay. So we have seen 4 questions so far. So we are going a little faster. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. So is the explanation clear? It is all related to synonyms. If you think that it is clear, say yes. If you think that it is not clear, you say no. I'm giving you 10 seconds to push the button. The information is clear, you say yes. If the information is not clear, you say no. And you can tell me why it is not there so that I can explain you clearly. Come on, fast. Only 15 students are there and even 5 students are also not active. Okay. Come on, be active. Right. I need this encouragement. Sometimes you should be active. Say okay or no, not. If you say no also, I'm happy, but say something. Okay, say something. It shows that you are active. That's all. Right. Yes, here you are. This is the next question. Copy message. Fifth question. So that is the question. Fifth question. 2 minutes. Significant means important. Go through that word. That is the word which tell you. Significant. Significant means extraordinary. Extraordinary means noticeable, recognizable. Yes, fourth page, fourth paragraph, 11th question, question number 5. Okay. You can submit your answer here. Yes, I'll tell you definitely. So, submit your response. Question 5. Whatever you feel, you write. First 5 minutes, 2 minutes you have. So 1 minute over, another minute. So think about that one and submit your answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and submit. Submit your answer. Yes, very good. Very good. So you have given the answers there. Now let us see which answer is right. Which answer is right. So how do we know? We'll go to this question number 5, copy post link. So you can check it out there. You go there, A, B, C, D. You tick there. Whatever answer you have written, you can tick there. Copy message link. Either there or here. You can go and you can tick A, B, C, D. 507 students have answered this question so far. Okay. So you go there and you'll get the answer. So now, check it out there. So here we are. Copy post link, sorry, copy message, copy image. Yeah. Yes. You can see it there. Significant means a striking. Synonyms, synonyms, synonyms. If you don't know the synonym, you cannot. Okay, striking differences or the significant findings in the experiment. Okay, researchers means they are doing experiment. Researcher means they are doing experiment. They are doing research. Researchers are doing research. That means they are doing an experiment. In that they found striking differences. Striking differences, the observations. Okay. So you can see. Now what is the striking difference? You can see there. They found. Found means findings. So the differences were striking. Differences. Okay, differences. Differences is the contrast. Okay. Difference means contrast. Similarity means same to same. Differences means contrast. Okay. So metabolic states, metabolism, sleep depth and recovery, sleep depth and recovery. You can see there. So I don't know what answer you have written, but see that very clearly there. Striking differences. You can see there, striking differences means significant findings. Found means findings. Researchers means experiment. Only researchers are doing experiments. One cutter, okay, is doing experiments. And then he found the differences. Differences means contrast. Second line in D, contrast. Okay. Right. Metabolic means metabolism. So that is how you're going to. Surprise. Again, the word surprise means significant. Right. So is that clear? Is that clear? Say yes or no. Hit the button, 10 seconds, yes or no. Come on, hit the button fast so that we can move to the next one. We'll move to the next one. Come on, fast, fast. So when you have to do something, you have to be tranquil. Tranquility means peaceful, calmness, serene, silent. So when you are tranquil, you are on the mountain. Everything will be clearly visible. So if you stand on the top, then you will be relaxed and coolly you can find everything. Okay, 360 degrees. You can see everything there. From the top to the bottom, everything is visible there. So that is the stage of tranquility. You have to come to that level. Okay. So that is the theme for today, tranquility. Next, sixth question. Yeah, that's it. Sixth question. Okay, paragraph number 5. Okay, on the left side, paragraph number 5. Question number 6. A visual question number 12. Come on, 2 minutes. Yes. 30 seconds more. Yes. It. So the pronoun comes after a noun. So answer will be before, not afterwards. This is because it degrades the energy molecule adenosine triphosphate to produce adenosine monophosphate, and this results in the activation of AMP kinase. So you can see here, an enzyme, new evidence, a catabolic state, and for lack of sleep. So you have to see there. So here, echoing Van Cotter's results, Bashir has found evidence. So evidence does not degrade the energy molecule. Evidence is a proof, that's all, that you know. So evidence is not suitable. Maybe that enforced lack of sleep sends the brain into a catabolic or energy consuming state. Catabolic or energy consuming state. So a catabolic state. So a catabolic state. Then this is because it degrades. So what is this? Which degrades the energy molecule? So you have to analyze that one. It. So the condition, it means the condition here. Okay, now let us see what is the answer you have written. Submit the answer, all of you. 3, 2, 1. Okay, if anybody has not submitted still, you can submit. So now I'll give you the link. So this is the link. Copy, post link. You can find out the answer here. Or sixth question. Copy message link. Here. There, ABCD. You can find out the answer there. Go and click the answer there. Okay. So that's the story. So there you can see. So evidence cannot degrade the energy molecule. Evidence will make you understand, but it cannot degrade the energy molecule. Okay. Enforced lack of sleep. Lack of sleep. Because of lack of sleep, the energy will be lost. Okay, you will have less. So degrades means less. If you do not sleep, your energy will be less. That is the point there. Then next one. So catabolic state is the result because of lack of sleep. It will not degrade a molecule, but it will be the result. After degrading only, this will happen. Okay, catabolic state. Then you see how it goes. Right, enforced lack of sleep. An enzyme is so far after the pronoun. Noun will not come after the pronoun. Noun will come before the pronoun. Pronoun comes after the noun. Hari is going. David is going. He is going to the hospital. Hari is going. He is going to the hospital. Hari is going. Like no one will say noun after pronoun. Pronoun first, noun afterwards. No, noun first, pronoun next. That is the rule. So this is how it is. Very clear now. Next. Okay. So clear? Doubt clear? Okay, clear of all doubts or not? So noun comes first, pronoun comes next. Pronoun never comes first. And the noun relationship, you have to say pronoun. Okay, action or not action. So you have to see how it is related to the other things. The next one. Next. Next one is here. The seventh question. Here it is. Okay. Right. This is the seventh question. 21 students are there. Very good. So that means 20 students are there. Now, what you can do is you can invite your friends. You can invite your friends. Okay. So I'll give you another round of part C. I'll give you another round of part C if you invite your friends. Bring at least one friend each. I'm going to give you another round of part C. Okay. Right. A new set. A new set I'll give you. So now this is part 7, question number 7. Copy image. So here it is. Yeah, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yes. Again, the word surprised. See, everywhere surprised. Surprised is a very important word. Okay, remember that. Surprised. A very important word. Ordinary things will not surprise. Special things only will surprise. So remember that. Seventh question. Yes. Now, you have 23 students. Very good. Very good. Strength is increasing. So maybe I will take more questions then. If you add more students, bring them. I'll give you more examples. Let everyone enjoy the show. Right. Let everyone enjoy the show. I'm going to teach a lot of sessions now. So, right. Now here in the chat box, so submit your answer. Submit your answer. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Submit. Submit your answer. Okay. So, right. Come on fast. What surprised means was something extraordinary, something which is not normal, something which is abnormal, you can say. Yes. So we got the answers there. Now let us see. Not all did give the answer. Okay, you can say take 10 seconds. Now let us see. I'll give you the link for the answer. So here is the link, copy post link. You can go and check it out there. And this is the copy message link. Okay, this is the group. You can go and check it out there. So, right. Yes. Very good. So you check the answers. 482. Very good. 478. So some students have joined there and answered. Very good. Now I am giving you the explanation. Yes. This is the explanation here. So finding surprised. Because she expected, if the expected things happen, that means she will not get surprised. But she expected something, it still did not happen, so she was surprised. After 36 hours of sleep recovery, a period during which she expected normalcy to resume. So she wanted normalcy to resume. That means normal things should come back. But those changes remained. So that means there was no reversal. Okay. When you sleep deprive yourself, something goes wrong and it can never be set right. These changes remained. That's what he's telling. The changes remain. Yeah, you can see there. Findings means discovery. So surprised. After 36 hours of sleep recovery, okay, a period during which she expected normalcy to resume. She expected something. What she expected, if it happens, that means she will not surprise. But in spite of that, nothing happened. That is why she was surprised. She thought that something will happen, but it did not happen. So that is what is surprised her. And those changes remained. That means there is no reversal. That means things will not come back to normal. No reversal, no U-turn. Okay. Always damage is a damage if you sleep deprive yourself. That is the meaning. So, is that clear? Is that clear? Right. Next. Okay, next question. Eighth question. This is the eighth question. So there it is, 2 minutes. Last question of this set. 1 minute more. Yes. Now, question number 8. Question 8. Q8. Yes, submit your response. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Submit. Right. So now I'll give you the link for the answer. Copy post link. You can check the answer now. And this is copy the message link. So you can take anywhere and you can go and find the answer there. Okay. You can go and find the answer there. Yes. Yes, you can go through this here. Okay. You can get the idea there. He's suggesting there. But with but is the twister. But with so much of our physiology affected, an effective therapy therapy means treatment. Effective therapy, okay, other than sleep itself is hard to imagine, means impossible. Hard to imagine, hard means difficult. So it is imagine means imagine, you cannot even think of, that means difficult to develop any treatment for sleep deprivation other than sleep. Okay, that is what he's telling. He's telling very clearly there. So that is the point. It's so much of our physiology affected, right? An effective therapy other than sleep itself is hard to imagine. People like to define a clear pathway of action for health conditions. With sleep deprivation, everything you measure is affected. So that's it. So this is different. Okay. Effective therapy is impossible. That means treatment plan is impossible. Right. So sleep only is the treatment. Okay. For sleep deprivation. Other than that, nothing is there. So it is very impossible to manage. So that is the point. So you have to see there where in the what is he suggesting here? But means twister. Be careful. But however, whenever you get these words, answer will be somewhere there only. Right. So 8 questions. 8 questions and 18 students. Okay, very good. Was the session useful? Say yes or no. Was the session useful? Say yes or no. That is the first question. Number 2. Okay. So, was it beneficial? Was it beneficial? Okay, was it beneficial? To what extent? That is the meaning. To what extent? So 0 to 10. So you can give the grade. How far it was beneficial for you? 0 to 10. 0 to 10. How far it was beneficial for you? 0 to 10. Okay, 0 to 10. 0 to 10. Zero to 10. Come on. Yes. Tomorrow we have a special session for all the regular students. So those who are registered for the course, all of them tomorrow we have a special session. Okay. So don't miss the session. That is listening part C. Listening part C. I'm going to explain in detail. Listening part C, how to identify the answers. Okay. Listening part C. So how far it is beneficial for you? Very good. Okay. Okay, Jennifer. So can you suggest, so can you suggest us how to improve so that everyone will get benefit? So I'm going to give you a detailed lecture. Okay. So I'll give you the link for that one. So where you can identify those. So if you want further details, those who did not understand the points, okay, you scored 0. I'm not asking about scoring. So what grade can you give? How much you can get for this session? What is the benefits? Okay, what is the benefit I asked? What was the benefit? So if anybody is still doubtful, what you can do is you can go here. I'm giving you the earlier lecture, which was, okay, a lengthy lecture. Okay, this is what it is, sleep deprivation. This is the lecture. This is the link, copy link. Okay, I'm giving you the link here. So this is the serious lecture. Everyone in the meeting. Okay, I'm giving you this lecture. This is the previous lecture, not present lecture. So I'm going to take you there. If you click there, it will go there. This is the lecture. And this lecture is
Yes,
actually 4
I
hours.
think we should
4
explore
hours
a
lecture. I
few
just made it short.
solutions.
Grammarly's suggestions
have
catch
time-
when your tone might undermine your message.
Those who have time can go
15.
here.
Come on, be active.
Yes.
My job
Those
is
who
to
have
make
time
college easier because
can go
students
here.
have a lot on their
It's a 4-hour lecture. I've
And
explained number of
classical
things.
corrections. Number of students got good
I
results.
have explained a number of things.
Some got 430 and
So that
440
particular day we
reading
had-
and listening.
Okay.
That's awesome.
14th May,
And the thing is,
I gave this depth
Getting
lecture,
all
in-depth
four
lecture.
Bs is very
278
important.
students have viewed this video. What are your recommendations? There are many people who will watch your, listen to your audio and your message. Actually,
very important.
we have got number of students.
Hard
who
work
got
is
good
very,
results.
very important.
Anila Sarath, all, okay,
Yes.
like that. These are the results. Lot of results we got that day.
Right now coming to
is help our writers develop that more professional process.
and
So
these
you
are
can see point by point I have explained. You can go there. Those who have time, you can view all these things.
okay. So
See
that
how
is
it is
number
explained.
one. Number two, cause and effect theory. Cause and effect theory. So that is the second one. Right. Now let us see. This is supported where you support yourself. You feel that you are weak, so you are taking the name of a strong person. So that is called strengthening. Next one is cause and effect. Effect means impact. Effect means impact. Okay, that is second one. That is the
So step
second
by
one.
step I have given you.
And again, things go, every time we sleep deprive ourselves, we go less sleep, then things go wrong. That is impact. So these two things
So like
are
that,
saying
step
the
by
same
step.
thing.
You can go through that.
And
So
everywhere
new
it is the
students
same thing.
especially.
Also
You can
suffer.
go there and you can watch. Okay.
Also suffer.
So
Okay. Almost every variable we measured was affected. So everywhere
Right.
it is showing the same thing.
I floating meetings. Okay. So this is how the lecture is there here. Okay. I'm sending it again there. So this is the, yes. So just click on the link or the video. You can just go there and it's a 4-hour lecture. You can see whichever you face difficulty, you can study very carefully. Okay. I have explained everything with synonyms, how to identify, what are the concepts. Okay. Everything I have explained there. Okay. So now I am going for correcting the letters. Those who, Sibia. Hello, Sibia. Okay. Allow participants to unmute. Okay. Yes. Hello, Sibia. Yeah, you got your letters? You got some of your letters? Oh. You can unmute. So, Sibia, have you got your letters, some letters? Hello, Sibi. Can you, okay, fine. Joe Fins, you got your letter?
Sir, I wrote only one letter.
Yes, I gave one, you gave one letter. I have corrected that one. Did you receive that letter?
I received, but I don't know it's corrected or
Maybe what you people have to do is, you have to go to the Telegram channel, then you have to open here, click here, and you can write your name like this. So if you write, yes, here it is. In this album, okay, there is the letter. Yeah, Joe Fins. So here it is, Joe Fins. Your letter is here. So if you write your name, you will get all your letters like this. For example, Sibia, Sibia's, all the letters of Sibia will come here. Just to type there. Okay. And then click on the search bar and just type Sibia. And all the letters of Sibia will be there. See here, how many letters are there? Sibia. Right. So all these are Sibia's letters. Okay, she has written many letters. Sibia, lung cancer. Okay, knee injury. Bob Dawson, Alfred Billy, Dylan Thomas, Dylan Charles, Rose DeBam, Gerald Baker. So today's all these letters, whatever letters you have written, they are here. So this is Jim Middleton. This is Jim Middleton. And here Sibia. So here it is. Yeah. Here, Sibia, Patrick, Mr. Patrick. So like that. Here is another letter. So here it is, Sibia and Mandy Cheng. And this letter. Here it is, Brett Collister. So all the letters, right? So whoever is there. So what you have to do is you have to take your name. Okay, next, regular students, you can type your name. So Ranyali, Lithol. Has Lithol submitted? How many letters she has submitted? Let us see here. Lithol, L-I-T-H-O-L-E, Lithol. Okay. Lithol, Ranyali, sorry. Yeah. See Ranyali, whatever she has given, maybe here. Okay, you'll get like that. And then Linio. So just type the name and you'll get the name letters here. So this is Linio Bohloko, Mrs. Charlotte. So this is it. So all the letters you can find out here. Right. Then next. Okay. So others, fine. Yes, I'll be calling you personally for a discussion according to availability. So from tomorrow onwards, the new students can submit reading and listening also. So we'll meet tomorrow for the special session C, listening part C.